Both engines of the aircraft lost fuel supply. This is the most important conclusion of the preliminary report, published today on the causes of the crash of Air India's Boeing 787, which crashed shortly after takeoff on the 12th of June, killing 241 people on board and 19 on the ground. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, flying to London from the Indian city of Ahmedabad, began to lose thrust and descend shortly after takeoff, almost immediately after the plane left the ground. The aircraft reached its maximum recorded flight speed of 180 knots, and immediately afterwards, the fuel cutoff switches for Engine 1 and Engine 2 switched from run to cutoff in succession within a tenth of a second. Engines N1 and N2 began to lose power relative to their takeoff values because the fuel supply to the engines was cut off. In the final moments of the flight, one of the pilots asked the co-pilot why he cut off the fuel supply. The co-pilot replied that he did not do so, the report says. The preliminary report does not explain how the switches could have switched to the cutoff position during flight.
Do with the switch, it isn't as simple as the light switches at home. You have to physically sort of not pull the pin, but if you have to pull the toggle out, then it can move to a different position. So you do have to do it on purpose, not accidentally knocking it to the wrong position. Very rarely that can happen, or is close to zero.
The captain was very experienced with over 15,000 flight hours. He was also an Air India instructor. The co-pilot had 3,400 flight hours. The Indian aviation minister appealed not to jump to conclusions and to wait for the full report.
I have to appreciate all the efforts the pilots and the crew in this country are putting into the aviation. They are the backbone of this civil aviation. They are the primary resource of civil aviation, and we care for the welfare and the well-being of our pilots also. So let's not jump to any conclusions at this stage. Let us wait for the final report.
The families of the victims of the crash are demanding quick and clear answers, justice, and a response from the authorities so that no one else has to suffer as they have. We want the investigation to be neutral and the perpetrators to be punished. We don't want anyone else to die because of similar carelessness. We want the government to take all precautions so that people do not lose their family members again in such accidents. At this stage of the investigation, the report does not make any accusations or recommendations against the manufacturer Boeing or the engine manufacturer. Neither Boeing nor Air India have yet commented on the report. The crash on the 12th of June was one of the most tragic in the history of Indian aviation.